Fog advisories that go until noon for much of central and western Nebraska. Freezing fog advisory goes until 11 a.m. this morning for portions of the Panhandle as well. The reason Lincoln not included in that, we are not expected to be below a quarter of a mile of visibility, but some of this may track a little bit east. It has been shifting a little bit more east overnight, so keep in mind that that may change going through the rest of the morning. We may still get added to one, so keep it in mind. Satellite and radar showing mostly cloudy conditions. Overcast is what we're expected to be throughout the day today, but things are expected to ramp up over the course of the next few days and into early next week. So about 3 different rounds we're expecting to happen across Nebraska. The first round brings minor impacts out west. Some freezing drizzle will be possible for a transition to some light snow accumulations. Better chance in southwest Nebraska at that point. We may see some light rain and snow mix in for us late on Friday. There's also another chance, this one the smallest of all of them, Saturday night and into Sunday, for some light snow that comes in from the north and northeast and eastern Nebraska has that small chance. Before we get to the main event that we are still looking into, a stronger system possible to bring a rain snow mix transition to snow with some accumulating snow possible through Tuesday. So for now, we've got a winter weather advisory out there. It includes much of southwest Nebraska, including this first round that we're expecting to last through Friday. This starts up as soon as 9 a.m. this morning and will go until noon on Friday. Stormcast doesn't do a great job of showing you the freezing drizzle that may be possible in southwest Nebraska as early as the winter weather advisory starts through the afternoon. It does start to show some of that wintry mix possibility by about 10 o'clock, but then we're transitioning to snow heading into early Friday. And again, accumulations are going to be light with this in southwest Nebraska before snow showers become a little bit more widespread going throughout Friday evening, especially in central and far southeast Nebraska. This is our small chance going into Friday evening that we may see this creep in a little bit farther north for Lincoln, but generally expecting ½ an inch, if not less. It's really not going to be too impactful from this event. Maybe just an inch in southwest Nebraska, up to an inch possibility through that event. Then we're really keeping an eye on things for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. A stronger system is going to develop from the Rockies, and the track of the system, there's still a question on what we see, but latest model trends kind of take a little bit more snow out in western Nebraska and central Nebraska through early portions of Monday, but as this continues to develop to our south, likely that we could see a rain-snow mix before it completely transitions to snow on Monday, and this will continue to take a track south of us. The question is, how much south of us is this track going to be? So it looks like snow would be accumulating through about Tuesday or the first half of Tuesday. Again, still a lot of questions that we need to kind of hammer out because we're still several days away from that. I still only have a few models that reach out to that event and kind of cover it at this point, but want to put it on your radar, want you to plan for it because it'll certainly bring some travel impacts to the area as we see that. Temperatures behind the system too are going to be colder. Highs are going to be in the 20s, if not into the teens looking at the extended forecast. So to keep that in mind, this system is going to bring in some colder air going into the middle and end of January.
Definitely right, Jessica. The ice this morning, I also found some on my car as well. It was chilly today.
It's been a chilly start to the day. Certainly needed that ice scraper too and needed to put a little bit more elbow grease into it this morning.
Thank you so much.